Good evening, YouTubers. What's up? I think I'm gonna have this video about what I think is gonna unfold when this coronavirus ends. A lot of people are pretty negative right now, and I think Japan just reclosed their economy again, and Canada is closed down for 3 months, or what I heard was 2 weeks, but other people are saying 3 months. So I'm not sure what's going on, but my view is once this coronavirus is over, there's going to be a massive inflationary boom all over the West, but especially things are going to boom in the emerging markets: gold, silver, commodities, the Middle East, parts of the Middle East, parts of Africa, parts of the developed part of Asia like Singapore, Korea, India. We'll see what China does. I'm not sure how well they'll do, but I think India's really going to boom now, and some of the surrounding countries and like places like Dubai and Singapore will just keep attracting more and more capital. Damn. Anyways, got some outside noises there. Sorry about that. Anyways, I think once this coronavirus is over, there's going to be a lot of opportunities overseas for people who want to work overseas. So if you got your college diplomas, all your credentials, you'll probably be able to go to Africa or Asia and slip in and make a good amount of money. Because right now, a lot of Americans and Europeans have left all those countries, and they're going to be really, really short-handed. I've even noticed myself on some of the bulletin boards, there's more and more job opportunities and things like that. Here, I'm going to adjust this a little bit. There's more and more job opportunities and things of that nature. What I think is really going to be interesting, I think in the next 6 months we could get a sell-off in the stock market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just all countries. And then we'll probably have a rotation into the emerging markets. And I just heard one video commenter, Raoul Pal. He says he thinks Ethereum's going to go to, I think, he didn't say a number, but he said something like 60 times. And he's saying that from the perspective of Ethereum being at 12 to 1500. So if you take 1200 at 10 times, that's pretty high. That's $12,000 or $15,000. Right now today, Ethereum's at 15,000 or at 1,500, but I can't even imagine Ethereum at 15,000, much less like 100,000. But he's claiming all the things are lining up for Ethereum that happened to Bitcoin in the past, and we should prepare to see that thing shoot up. He's also fairly bullish on most commodities like gold, oil, things of that nature. But if he's right, if things really boom, and if all this money printing starts going back into the real economy, and we start getting a boom in the emerging markets, that's going to create a lot of employment opportunities for people, a lot of opportunities in buying shares and things like that. So that's my perspective on what's going to happen in the near future, or say 6 months out. But I'm expecting possibly a bear market, like in most things, like a sell-off, not a long bear market, not a deep bear market, maybe 20-30%. And then I expect things to rotate into the emerging markets. We're already seeing India, Korea, Singapore rally like crazy. So I think this is going to get real interesting. And right now in the United States, in the UK, I want to say the EU, they're getting ready to put out another big stimulus package. I don't know what it'll amount to, and I really don't agree with all that, but it's just going to cause the markets to rip up. But in the short term, you might see the dollar rip up and then slowly come back down. If that happens, then I expect there to be a really big boom overseas, especially in Asia and in parts of Africa and parts of the Middle East. So there'll be a big boom there. So like I said, a lot of employment opportunities for people. Anyways, between now and 6 months, I'm going to do my best to prepare myself for those opportunities. We'll see what happens. It's hard to believe that Bitcoin or Ethereum or even gold is going to rip right now, but some people are expecting it. Even now, silver got up to almost $30 an ounce. Now it's come back down, but I expect it's going to rip back up. We'll have to see what happens. But right now, capital's going into the commodities and it's going into the emerging markets. I expect there to be a sell-off, and then the thing's going to rip up like a crazy train. So anyways, that's just my perspective on that. like, share, leave a comment, and tell me what you think as far as the economy is going. I think parts of the world are going to open back up and things are just going to boom. As the economy normalizes, the economy is going to boom for some people because so many people left Asia, so many people left Africa and all the countries they're in. So I expect there to be a lot of employment opportunities for people who are prepared and swift and ready to move. Anyways, thanks for listening. Leave a comment.